delicious Rice Krispie treats in your microwave. The ingredients I'll be using today are a box of Rice Krispies, a bag of marshmallows, a stick of munching, preferably one that's pre-measured, and sprinkles, which are also optional. Now onto the utensils. A spatula for mixing, a butter knife, a hot pad, scissors, a large measuring cup, a scale, and a large glass dish, which is also microwave safe. And don't forget our microwave. So I'm going to start off by measuring the ingredients. And this recipe calls for 4 cups of Rice Krispies. Now that that's done, I need 4 ounces of marshmallows. And since the bag of marshmallows is 10 ounces, I need about half of that. Use my scale to get my measurements exact. So I'm going to begin by combining 1 tablespoon of munching and the marshmallows. And since this is already labeled, I know where to cut. I'm going to get the munching in the dish. And then I'm also adding the marshmallows. Now that the marshmallows are combined, we can put them in the microwave or reheat it for 2 minutes. Now let's wait for the marshmallows to melt. The marshmallows are actually ready. So carefully take out the marshmallows in the microwave using the hot pad. So you're going to want to work quickly when you're combining the marshmallows and the Rice Krispies. Now that the Rice Krispie treats have been patted down, you can garnish them with whatever toppings you like, maybe chocolate syrup, but I have sprinkles, so I'm going to put them on the Rice Krispie treats, making it pretty. Should be enough. And so you can let them cool. Now that the Rice Krispie treats are finally complete, you can share them with your friends and family. Enjoy, and thanks for tuning in.
Thanks for watching.